Here's our new impression in lockpicking tool with an interactive element which totally matches with the interactive elements on all of these keys. So all locks which you see here you can easily open by our tool. I'm not going to open all of them, but just show how it works. On this side you need to put a foil to smooth, to make a shape, and after it you need to replace it to other side of the tool, to the working side of the tool. In this way it works. All these locks can be opened by our tool for 100%.